Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Tuesday. I have some Fed Day research to review, but first let's look at last night. Here's the odds sheet as it stood near the close on Monday. As has been the case fairly often lately, odds were mixed and none were strongly compelling. ES showed bearish odds based on price action and seasonality, but internals were mixed. This all averaged out to a mild bearish inclination. There were several studies noted by the Edge Finder that all suggested a downside edge. If other index securities had met the minimum short criteria, this may have compelled me to take a short trade, even with ES not quite there. But the other indices showed mild bullish inclinations, so overall, evidence just wasn't compelling enough for me to attempt a trade. I indicated this in the trading room and on the notification feed on the trade discussion page, so let's take a look and see how the night played out. ES closed at 14.97 on Monday. After wiggling around for much of the night, it suffered a drop after European markets opened. Traders more aggressive than me that may have taken a short position would have seen the minimum target of 3 points met very easily. In fact, it went a few points below there and then rallied and opened with exactly a 3-point gap down. Tomorrow is a Fed day, and I've written an awful lot about Fed days over the years. Of course, the most complete collection of studies I've published on Fed days came in the Quantifiable Edges Guide to Fed days. If the market closes positive today, it will also close at an intermediate term high. So I thought it would be appropriate to review a study I showed in December with regards to overnight Fed action and intermediate term highs. Let's first look at overnight action since 2003 prior to a Fed day when ES is not closing at a 20-day high. As you can see, about 2/3 of the instances have gapped up and the profit factor is very strong, 2.3. This suggests that the nights before Fed days contain an overnight upside edge. But what if the market is already extended upwards and closes at a 20-day high? Here's those results. Of the 15 instances that triggered under these conditions, 8 have led to gaps up and the other 7 to gaps down. On a net basis, loss has been slightly bigger. Instances are a little low, but the upside edge does not appear to be in effect when ES is already at a 20-day high. Traders may want to keep this in mind when considering whether to take an overnight position tonight. Thanks for listening, and rest easy.